The GemLightbox Photography Kit. The GemLightbox comes with 4 accessories to help you photograph all your jewelry items. The smartphone stand is used to hold your smartphone steady when photographing your jewelry. The angle of the smartphone stand is adjustable. To adjust, simply open up the smartphone stand and place the legs into the angle you wish. The power adapter comes with 4 interchangeable international adapters and is compatible with both 110 and 240 volts. This adapter allows you to connect your GemLightbox wherever your destination may be. Simply connect the adapter that is suitable to the power sockets in your country. You should hear a click sound once it's inserted properly. The photography table. This connects to the GemLightbox via the magnetic system and is suitable for 90% of your jewelry items. To set up the photography table, we simply place the magnetic stand into the center of the GemLightbox, followed by the photography table, which is secured through the magnetic system. The necklace and earring stand is used to capture studs, dangle and drop earrings, and necklaces. Again, the magnet will hold the stand in place. For longer necklaces, you may find it easier to tape the excess length behind the stand so that your necklace stays in place. For best results, place the reflector vertically when using the necklace and earring stand. For larger pendants or thicker chains, we recommend placing the item onto the photography table and using the top shooting angle. Inside the GemLightbox, you will find an additional connection. This is the power source for the GemLightbox turntable add-on. You can leave it as it is if you do not have the turntable.